Welcome to Well Woman Clinic Radio, a podcast on women's health updates by Dr. Nupur. Here we will discuss all about women health, from adolescence to menopause. Can fibroids impact fertility? Many a times this question comes to our mind, and so many women come to us for a second opinion. Many women with fibroids usually get pregnant naturally, and treatment may even not be necessary for conception. Fibroids are almost present in 10% of infertile women and may be a sole cause of fertility problems in them. For example, if a lady has submucous fibroid that grows and bulges into the uterine cavity, sometimes may increase the risk of infertility as well as pregnancy loss. The main reason is that it distorts the uterine cavity and makes it difficult for the pregnancy to implant. Bottom line is that while fibroids may cause infertility for some women, but at the same time we need to rule out other causes as well and not attribute your fibroid to infertility. The next question that comes to our mind is that should the fibroid be treated or removed prior to attempting pregnancy? I often tell my patients that fibroids are like your real estate. It is all about the location, the size, and it is well known that larger fibroids, especially those that are near to the lining of the uterus, may cause trouble not only during pregnancy but delivery as well. Those fibroids that are medium to large size but on the outside of the uterus may cause pressure symptoms on your bladder, bowel, leading to frequency of micturition, difficulty in emptying your bladder, and also sometimes constipation. As uterus is in close proximity to your rectum and bladder, these large fibroids may cause pressure changes. So, the uncomfortable feeling due to fibroid may continue during your pregnancy. What will happen if I get pregnant with fibroid is my another podcast for which you can look for in our series. So what sort of procedures are recommended when you want to get pregnant in future for fibroids that need treatment, that need surgery? For women who are experiencing difficulty with fibroid or who are facing fertility problems, the treatment depends on surgical or non-surgical. Based on your goals, based on your symptoms, the treatment will change. Most women who are concerned about future fertility do choose to go for fibroid removal surgery, and this is known as myomectomy. I would recommend you to decide after discussing with your gynecologist. Another question that comes to our mind is when should we plan a pregnancy after undergoing treatment for fibroid, that is after myomectomy. So waiting time will vary depending on what is the location of your fibroid, whether it was subserous, whether it was pedunculated, whether it was a broad pedunculated, intramural or cervical, or maybe at a different location or a submucous fibroid. So it varies between 3 weeks to 3 months, even up to 6 months before you should try to conceive. To know more, you can put your comments down below and we will get back to you. Thank you.